In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to your website using Squarespace, an incredibly versatile platform that allows you to easily customize and manage your online presence. Whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or someone who simply wants to share their work, knowing how to upload a file to Squarespace can be very useful. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to have your browser open and head over to the Squarespace website. Simply type Squarespace into your search bar or navigate directly to the platform if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This will grant you access to all your existing sites and tools within Squarespace. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites, depending on how many you've created. From here, select the website you wish to edit. Remember, each website has its own unique style and purpose, so make sure you're working on the correct one that you intend to update or modify. Once you've selected your website, you'll be brought to your website's dashboard. Here you should navigate to the Website section. This is where you can make all sorts of changes and personalizations to your site. Click on Edit to start making changes. It's in this mode that you have the opportunity to add content, rearrange elements, or enhance your overall layout. This is where Squarespace's design flexibility really shines, as it allows you to seamlessly manage and design your site's appearance. Next, we're going to add or edit some text on your website and link a file to it. Click on the specific text block that you want to work with. You'll notice a small toolbar popping up with multiple options. One of these options is Link, which you'll click on. This is a crucial step because linking is how you'll relate different parts of your web content or include external files. In the link options, you'll see various choices like URL, email, or page. What you want to do here is change the URL field to file. This is important as it tells Squarespace that you want to link a file rather than another web page or resource. Once you've selected file, you'll need to click on upload. This action will open up your file manager, allowing you to browse through your computer's directories to find and select the file you wish to upload. Be sure that your file is ready to upload and follows any format or size requirements that Squarespace may have. And that's it. After your file is uploaded and linked, it should be seamlessly integrated into your text box. Make sure to save your changes to ensure that everything is updated on your live site. You can now continue to customize and refine other parts of your website or preview them to see how it looks in action. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.